Patrymau iaith diwrnod 3. Ffynnon. Canolradd. Day 3 language patterns. Day 3 focuses on the use of prepositions. Rhif 1. Adolygu arddodiaid. Revision of prepositions. Prepositions are the little words that show the relationship between things. Dwi'n mynd I Fangor. There are a group of 12 prepositions that cause soft mutations. It's a good idea to memorise these. Am, ar, at. Dan, dros, drwy. I, o, heb. Gan, wrth, hyd. During sylfaen, the prepositions I, gan, am, ar, at, wrth, or and were used. These run with pronouns. I mi, I ti, iddo fo, iddi hi, I ni, I chi, iddyn nhw. Ar. Arna I, arna ti, arno fo, arni hi, arno ni, arno chi, arnyn nhw. At. Ata I, ata ti, ato fo, ati hi, ato ni, ato chi, atyn nhw. Am. Amdana I, amdana ti, amdano fo, amdani hi, amdano ni, amdano chi, amdanyn nhw. O. Ohono I, ohono ti, ohono fo, ohoni hi, ohono ni, ohono chi, ohonyn nhw. Dim rhagenw, dim rhedeg. Anfonwch e-bost at Mr Jones. Dwi'n siopa am ddillad newydd. Rhif 2. Ystyr arddodiaid. Meanings of prepositions. Prepositions in Welsh have different meanings and usage than in English, and they can't be translated in exactly the same way. Am. This mostly means for or about, but can also mean other things too. Ar. This often means on, but can mean a host of other things and is used in many idioms. At. This often means to or up to, and often suggests looking forwards to something. I. This commonly means to or for, and often means into. Or. This mostly means of or from. Wrth. This often means by or alongside in a spatial sense. Rhif 3. Berfau ac arddodiaid. Verbs and prepositions. There are a number of books written about which preposition follows which verb. Here is a list of some of the most useful pairings to learn. Meddwl am, to think about. Ro'n i'n meddwl amdana ti. Dweud neu sôn wrth. To speak with. Rhaid I ti sôn wrth y tiwtor am eich gwyliau. Synnu ar. Surprised by. Da ni'n synnu arnyn nhw. Sylwi ar. To notice. Wnes I ddim sylwi arni hi. Other useful pairings include siarad a, to speak to. Siarad efo, to speak with. Gwybod am, to know about. Gwrando ar, to listen to. Edrych ar, to look at or to pay attention to. The following are used when talking about a specific person. Gofyn I, to ask. Diolch I, to thank. Rhoi I, to give. Cynnig I, to offer or to attempt. Dangos I, to show. There are some verbs that can take different prepositions depending on the meaning of the sentence. For example, if I am going to a place, I say, Dwi'n mynd I place. However, if I am going to a person, it is Dwi'n mynd at person. Mynd at plus person. Dwi'n mynd at a meddyg. Mynd I plus place. Dwi'n mynd I Wrecsam. The same is true of verbs such as ysgrifennu and anfon. Ysgrifennu neu anfon at plus a person. Dwi'n mynd I ysgrifennu e-bost at Mr Jones. Rhif 4. Arddodiad newydd ar lefel canolradd. New prepositions at canolradd level. The prepositions introduced in canolradd are yn, dros, o, ar ôl, wrth ymyl. Dros. This usually means over or on behalf of. Or. This mostly means of or from, but can also mean other things. Wrth. This often means by in a spatial sense, but can have other meanings. Yn. This usually means in, but can have other meanings. Yn. Yndda I, yndda ti, ynddo fo, ynddi hi, ynddo ni, ynddo chi, ynddyn nhw. Mae gen I ddiddordeb ynddyn nhw. Dros. Drosta I, drosta ti, drosto fo, drosti hi, drosto ni, drosto chi, drostyn nhw. Dwi'n teimlo drosto fo. In English, you would say that you feel for someone. In Welsh, you feel over them. O. Ohona I, ohona ti, ohono fo, ohoni hi, ohono ni, ohono chi, ohonyn nhw. Mae 7 ohonon ni yn y dosbarth. Or also has a negative form, more. It can only be used with compound short verbs, followed by a definite or specific noun. For example, welais I ddim plus newyddion. Weles I more newyddion. It helps to think of it as ddim plus or equals more. Just like the other prepositions, more runs when followed by a pronoun. For example, weles I ddim plus fo. Weles I ma honno fo. Ddim plus ohono equals mono. Here is the full pattern. Mona I, mona ti, mono fo, moni hi, mono ni, mona chi, monin nhw. Rhif 5. Arddodiad mewn cwestiynau. Prepositions in questions. Notice that if a preposition is needed in a question, it must go at the start. O le wyt ti'n dŵad yn wreiddiol? This may not have been explained well to you in mynediad, so you might have picked up bad habits from first language speakers who don't always use this correctly. You may hear lle wyt ti'n mynd or lle wyt ti'n dod o, but these are incorrect. Rhif 6. Ymyl ac ôl, side and after. In English we say by my side or by your side. Welsh works in the same way. Ymyl ydy side. Wrth fy ymyl I. Wrth dy ymyl di. Wrth ei ymyl o. Wrth ei hymyl hi. Wrth ein hymyl ni. Wrth eich ymyl chi. Wrth ei hymyl nhw. In Welsh, after also works in the same way. All ydy after. Ar fy ôl I. Ar dy ôl di. Ar ei ôl o. Ar ei hôl hi. Ar ein hôl ni. Ar eich hôl chi. Ar ei hôl nhw. Notice the h added to vowels after a possessive a, feminine, ei or ein.